hello guys, good morning. It's been a while since the last time we said this, but welcome back to our channel. Yay, I miss you guys so much. I think the last time I vlogged was during the girls tea party. Girls just wanna have fun. It's really been a while. So anyway, we are on our way to Cape May, New Jersey. Yay! It's our first time guys, so we are excited.
Thank you for 1,000 subscribers.
Oh yeah guys, thank you darling. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm speechless. So thank you guys so much for everything. Okay, so anyway, I'm just gonna make this a short video guys, and I'm going to upload this as soon as possible to let you guys know that I'm not gonna be able to post a video soon because we're staying 4 days in New Jersey, and then plus I need to edit the video, so I think at least a week and a half. We were been busy because we cleaned the house, like the entire house, and then did the laundry,
got the carpet in.
Yes, waited for the carpet in, and prepared for this trip. So
You can see Mommy clean the house and one of
oh yeah guys, one of our subscriber, which I know her personally, requested this video vlog while I'm cleaning. So I did it, so I need to edit it, so wait for it. This is that's for you, Shira Forteza, and of course guys, this is all for you.
So we're heading down to Cape May. It's the very, very southern tip or cape of New Jersey. New Jersey actually has a barrier beach, the full length of its coastline. And so we're heading down there. It's about a 6.5 hour drive if you never stop. So it'll probably be 7.5, something like that, to get there. And we have a hotel right on the sand, and never been. So it should be interesting.
It's gonna be our first time going to New Jersey.
Yep. And the thing guys, there's Jollibee and a lot of Filipino stores, so I am really
But
looking
it's
forward.
way too far away.
It's only 2 hours drive
It's
guys.
way too far away.
Yeah, it's worth it. So yes,
2 hours out of
Yeah.
our way to get a Jollibee meal.
We only have 4
it's
days.
worth it. Yeah, no, it's worth it.
Not so much.
Yes. But
So we're gonna get in pretty late tonight because it's what, 10:30. We're gonna get in
6 hours.
5:30ish, 6 o'clock.
But it will still be enough time.
You can just walk around and
Yeah, we'll go up to the boardwalk tonight.
yeah.
Yeah, there's a boardwalk because Atlantic City's way north of us, but that boardwalk continues along the shoreline.
So anyway guys, I would like to say thank you guys to those who attended to join us on our first live stream, and to those who joined our game, and to those who won. Congratulations guys.
But don't worry. The losers, you can have another chance at our next live stream.
Well, hopefully they had fun just doing it. So
Yeah.
That was a win just to have fun.
Yeah. So thank you guys so much for that, and because of that game guys, I gained a lot of subscribers. Like I gained a lot of subscribers. So thank you guys so much. Thank you so much.
And now
And
there's room in the closet for another bag.
yeah, plenty. We have tiny closet, but plenty of room still. So I need to fill that in. So help me guys, please. And since we reach our 1,000 subscribers guys, oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm going to do guys with you.
We're gonna try to find the game.
Yeah, I wanna do live stream again, but without the big prize. It's just gonna have a game, and then 50 pesos load, something like that, because we're broke. We are broke already, but we were happy, guys. We are happy doing the game with you. So yeah, it was fun. Especially Tori had fun hosting. So I think the next game will be 50-50 hosting. So I'll see you guys. We will see you guys again in a bit. Okay. So thank you guys again so very much. Bye. To this big tunnel. Yeah. This Lehigh Tunnel. So if you can see me, guys, because we don't have signal. Joke. It's video. My husband said, yeah.
We're gonna lose video.
So almost there. We're out of the tunnel now.
Okay, guys, so we're at a bridge, and we're finally at Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The road is so crazy, it gives all of us anxiety. It's so pretty here, though. And New York is pretty, too. A little mishap. Welcome to New Jersey! New Jersey there! Yay! New Jersey! We're in New Jersey now. We'll see you when we get to the hotel. Bye!
Welcome back, guys. Time check. It's 4:24. And we're still driving. How many hours we've been driving, hon? We left
6 hours and 22 minutes.
Yeah. This one is farther than Boston. And I am so tired, guys. And then we drove
Through Philadelphia, and it was like, wow.
Philadelphia. Oh my gosh.
Philadelphia,
It's giving us heart attack.
yeah.
The road's too narrow and then too zigzaggy, and then the drive's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah, it was crazy.
So now I am 100% sure I am not city girl, guys. Oh my god, I hate it. But for some reason, Tori loved it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
There's a lot of history, and it looks pretty cool.
You liked all the buildings.
Yeah.
It's cool. Yeah, it's cool. But
It
the
is a nice city.
Yeah. But driving there, I think every day or when you go somewhere and it's like that,
Well,
no thank
yeah,
you. I'd
but-
rather stay home.
But we wouldn't live in those kind of city places. We would probably live.
In the suburbs and then go into the city.
No, like we would probably live somewhere else where like it's nice.
What about you, Mim?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Oh,
I was
don't
giving
like
her
it.
anxiety.
Yeah, that's what
She said,
yeah.
these roads are giving me anxiety. My 9-year-old
Yeah.
using the word anxiety.
So I just wanna keep you guys posted. So I'll see you guys. We will see you guys again when we get to the hotel.
Yeah, we're an hour.
So we will see you guys again after 1 hour. Okay? Bye. Okay, guys, we're here.
That's why I
10 more
chose-
minutes. We left the house, guys, around 10 a.m. and time check, it's 5:45 p.m. and we're still driving. But our navigation says 9 more minutes. And we have reached our destination.
We're just about to get to where the boardwalk parallel. We'll go down to the boardwalk and then we'll parallel the beach for probably 5 miles.
Daddy, excuse me. You said there was like a fair, like
There's lots of them. About every mile on the beach, there's water slides and carnival type
And you have to
stuff.
allowed
turn
to
right
go
to
there,
Pacific
Daddy?
Ave, okay?
Are we allowed to go there?
Yeah, we can just walk up the beach and go into any one of them we want.
So we are all tired, guys. My
That's the coolest
lower
McDonald's.
back hip is killing me because of vacuuming for 2 days, the entire house, and sitting in the car for 8 hours. It's a really good combination. So we will see you guys again in a bit, okay? Bye. Hi Hi guys, welcome back. Now we arrived at the hotel. We're just settling in. We are exhausted from the trip, so I think we're not gonna do anything tonight, or we might go out to have dinner, and I think that's it. We're going to the beach tomorrow instead, because there's no enough time anyway, and it's 6:40 already. So we might figure out where are we going to eat, and then I will keep you guys posted. Okay, thank you guys so much. Bye. we're done for today. This is our first night here in New Jersey, and we just get back from boardwalk and dinner. So the girls are tired and they're already sleeping. So it's just me saying goodnight to you guys, and that's it for today, for tonight, and I will see you guys in our next video tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching, and please stay tuned, and thank you guys for subscribing, for the likes, for the comments, and for sharing. Thank you guys so much. Have a great night. Bye.